In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the dating feature from Facebook, or more specifically, many people refer to it as deleting the dating app. But it's really about removing your dating profile from your account. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu, which appear at the bottom right on iOS and the top right on Android. Scroll through the available shortcuts until you find Dating, which is marked with a heart icon. If you don't see it right away, tap See More, as it may be hidden there. You can also use the search bar at the top of the app, type in Dating, and tap the Facebook Dating result to enter the dating section. Once you're in Facebook Dating, this is where your dating profile exists. It's separate from your main Facebook profile, but still connected to your account. To access your dating settings, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the dating section. From there, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down until you see the option labelled Delete Profile. You'll be given two choices: deleting your profile permanently or choosing the Take a Break option. Taking a break hides your profile and pauses activity without removing your matches or conversations, while deleting permanently removes everything. If you decide to delete your profile, you'll be asked to select a reason for leaving, such as having found someone or no longer being interested. You can also skip this step if you prefer. After that, confirm your choice by tapping Delete Profile again. A confirmation message will appear warning you that all dating data, including matches and chats, will be erased and that you won't be able to create a new dating profile for 7 days. If you're sure, confirm the action. Once completed, your dating profile will be deleted and the dating feature should no longer appear in your menu. If you'd rather keep your profile but stay hidden, the Take a Break option is a good alternative, as it allows you to return later without starting over. To further clean up your menu and ensure dating no longer shows up, go back to the main Facebook menu. Tap the gear icon for settings, select Preferences, then open the navigation bar settings. If dating appears there, tap it, choose Hide, and save your changes. This removes it from your shortcuts. One helpful tip is to take screenshots of your dating profile details, such as your bio or preferences, before deleting, in case you want to recreate them after the waiting period. If the dating option still appears after deletion, try clearing the app cache, reopening the app, and checking again. Updating the app from the App Store or Google Play can also resolve glitches. If you're unable to access dating at all, check your account status under Help and Support to make sure there are no restrictions. For ongoing issues, use the Report a Problem option to contact Facebook support. This process is ideal if you're stepping away from dating or simply want a cleaner Facebook experience. That's it. Thank you for watching.